Òtítọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run tí ẹ ṣetán láti gbọ́ yìí ló jáde láti ilé-iṣẹ́ ìránṣẹ́ Christ the Eternal Hope Evangelical Church láti ẹnu ikọ̀ àti ìríjú Ọlọ́run alààyè Apostle Babátúndé Samuel. Mo gbàgbọ́ pé ẹ ó di alábùkún fún nípa ọ̀rọ̀ náà. Àmín.
Ojú mo sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́rọ̀ yìí.
What I'm talking about this morning
Ó ní pípa ìdíwọ́ gbogbo sí apá kan.
is putting aside every hindrances.
Pípa ìdíwọ́ gbogbo sí apá kan.
Putting aside every hindrances.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ ogun Kristi.
Just as a soldier of Christ,
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí arìnrìn-àjò sí ìjọba ọ̀run.
journey to heaven,
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹni tó ní ilé lọ.
as someone who has heaven to
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹni tó
earth,
mọ̀ ìgbé ayé yìí.
as
Ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ wa.
someone who knows that this world is not ours,
Pé arìnrìn-àjò lásán la jẹ́nu
that
ayé.
we are just a sojourner in
Ọjọ́
this
kan náà
world.
sì kẹ́rù wa
And
àwọn
one
ọmọ ayé.
day we will leave this
Kò
world.
sáré lò tó wá bí nǹkan tí ń gbébẹ̀ lọ
There
títí.
is no visitor in one place that lives there.
Èyí ni ẹ̀bẹ̀ sílẹ̀ ti Pọ́ọ̀lù.
This is the epistle of Paul.
Láti ọwọ́ rẹ̀ sí ọmọ rẹ̀ nínú ìgbàgbọ́ tápẹ́ Tímọ́tì.
Paul to his son in the Lord called Timothy.
Èyí ni ọ̀rọ̀ ìyẹ̀jú Pọ́ọ̀lù sí.
This is an encouragement to him
Láti fún pé wọ́n lè gba ojúṣe.
so that he will take his responsibility,
Wọ́n lè gba ojúṣe.
so that he will take his
Ẹni tó bá máa
responsibility.
bọ́ níwájú ìjọba ọ̀run.
He that will eventually
Ó
get to
gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ ẹni
heaven
tó gba ojúṣe
he
gidigidi.
has to be someone that takes
Torí pé àti ní
responsibility,
ìjọba ọ̀run rẹ̀ rìn.
because to get to heaven is not
Àti ní ilé
easy.
ológo rọrùn.
To get to that kingdom of heaven is not easy.
Ọ̀nà ìgbàlá dojú abẹ́rẹ́. Ilé ológo dàgbà gbàrà wọ. Agbára àti ní ìjọba ọ̀run.
It is by power that
Jésù
the
fún mi
Son
láti
of
lọ
God to
ìjọba
heaven.
onítẹ̀gbọ́mi.
Jesus told us
Ìjọba ọ̀run di àfagbára.
this is the time of John the Baptist. The
Àwọn
kingdom of
agbára tí ó
heaven
fi gbá gbà á.
is violence that taketh it by force. All
Wọ́n ní Yorùbá
hindrances,
sọ kíní kan.
the Bible will say,
Àgbàrá ò sọ pé ò nílé wó.
the flood is not saying that it will not bring down their house,
Onílé ni ò ní gbàfágbà.
or it is the owner of the house that will not allow
Báwo
it
ni
to
onílé
flood.
ò sí ní gbàfágbà?
How will the owner of the house not
Olùfẹ́
allow
yóò
it
wọ
to
olùgbọ́
flood?
àgbàrá ó gbà ń
That is why that's for the owner to get a gutter for the water.
Onílé ò ṣe kí ni o?
The owner of the
Yóò
house
wọ ọ̀nà fún àgbàrá ni o.
definitely look for a way
Nígbà tí
to
Báníkà
flood.
fa ìdíwọ́ gbogbo tì.
When I say we should keep our
Kì í
silence,
ṣe pé ìdíwọ́ ò ní wá.
it's not that the hindrances will
Kì í
not
ṣe pé
come.
ànírín ìka àmì kan.
It's not that we will not see it.
Kì í ṣe pé ànírín ìka tí ó mú ìgbàgbọ́.
It's not that we will not see something that will
Kì í
take
ṣe
our
pé
faith.
ànírín ìka tí ó mú omi dé jáde lójú
It's
wa.
not that we will not see something that will bring our
Kì í
tears
ṣe
from
pé
our
ànírín
eyes.
ìka tí ó dààmú wa.
This world is not where we
Ayé
are
ìṣèlú tó
living.
bẹ̀rẹ̀ sílẹ̀.
This world is not
Ìjọba pé nígbà tí bàbá máa sọ̀rọ̀ nínú ìwé ìfihàn.
where Father will say,
Ó ní òun ó lu omi dé gbogbo nù.
He said he will
Ó
wipe
sọ̀rọ̀
us
lọ́wọ́
away.
ẹnìkan lọ́jọ́ kan.
I told someone
Nígbà tí
something
ènìyàn
one
ọlọ́mi tó
day
sọ̀rọ̀
when the person came to me
nípa
and told
ìlàkọjá wọn.
about what they are
Mo
going
ní pé
through.
Ọlọ́run òṣèlérí kò nu omi tó wà nínú ayé.
God did not promise that he will
Ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run ò sì lù ú.
He said he will wipe us
Ọmọ
away.
ọ̀bẹ tó bá sunkún nínú ayé.
So if you are crying in
Ọmọ
this
bẹ̀rẹ̀
world,
orí òkè àti lọ́run rẹ̀.
you will begin to
Lórí kò ní omi díẹ̀ tó nínú ayé o.
because he will not wipe us
Nínú ayé
away.
ní kọ̀ọ̀kan àdá ni.
He said in this world that you
Nínú
should
ayé ní kọ̀ọ̀kan
endure.
oríṣi.
He said you should
Tí ò
persevere.
bá rí bẹ̀ kò ní sọ fún wa
If
nínú ìwé
it's
mímọ́.
not like that, he will not tell us in the
Nínú ìwé
book.
máa ṣe ní 24.
In Matthew
Ẹsẹ̀
24,
ẹ̀ta sí.
verse 10,
Ó ní kìkì àwọn tó bá borí ti ní òfin.
and those that endure to the
Tó
end.
kọ́ borí ti ní òfin mi.
So he wants you to endure to the end.
John chapter 16.
John 16,
Verse 1.
verse
Kí ẹ̀sùn
1.
gbé ìkan wọ̀nyí ni mo sọ fún yín. Kí ẹ̀yin mọ́ máa kọsẹ̀ nínú mi.
So that you will not
Kí ẹ má máa kọsẹ̀ nínú mi.
so that you will not
Torí pé àwọn nǹkan tó lè mú ìyẹn kọsẹ̀ ló wà.
those things that can make you go astray in it.
Wà á rí pé àṣeyọrí ọmọ náà ní ìmọ̀ ń nira.
You see that for a child of God to be successful is always difficult.
Ìdíje ọmọ náà ló máa ń nira jù.
The upliftment of children of God is
Bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n ní
always
àpẹẹrẹ
difficult.
ojú ìsáàpù.
Let me give an example like Joseph.
Kó tó dìde, ó tẹ̀kẹ̀ ní 30 years.
Before he could rise up, it took him 30 years.
Wọ́n dá bíbí.
Look at David.
Wọ́n tó dé ìjọba. Òun náà ó lo almost 13 years.
Before he got to the throne, he lived for almost 13 years.
Ilé yóò ṣàkóso lọ́rọ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n
God promises to make
ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ ọmọ kọ́kọ́ sọ̀yọ̀ àrùn àbọ̀.
Before you get to there, if God gets to that place, you will have to go through a lot.
Sórí onílò ìpinnu tó kìí láàárọ̀ yìí.
Let me tell you, you need a strong determination.
Onílò ìpinnu tó kìí ní ogun.
You need a strong determination.
Pípa ìdíwọ́ gbogbo tì sí agbára.
Keeping aside all hindrances.
Kí ni ìdílé ọkọ mi pa gbogbo tì sí
Why
agbára?
should you keep aside all
Òun tó
those
bí bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ pé ìyá wa ìgbà ìsìsì yìí.
because the Bible made us know that our
Wọ́n kọ́ ní tàtàkà pọ̀.
2 Corinthians 4,
precisely verse 17 or 18. Verse 17 náà ni. Nítorí ìgbọ́njú wa tí ó fẹ́rẹ̀. Kí ló sọ? Ìgbọ́njú wa tí ó fẹ́rẹ̀, our light affliction. Ìgbọ́njú wa tí ó fẹ́rẹ̀ tí ń ṣe fún ìṣẹ́jú kan. Ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ ògùn àìní pẹ̀kún tí ó pọ̀ rékọjá fún wa.
Our light affliction, which is but for a moment, worketh for us a far more exceeding and eternal weight.
Àìlọ́kọ̀ rẹ̀ yẹ.
You not been married.
Lọ́sí ọkọ̀ àti tó ọdún márùn-ún ọdún mẹ́fà tó méje.
You have waited for
Bíbélì ìfẹ́ ní ìṣẹ́jú kan.
the Bible called it a minute.
Àìlọ́mọ bí rẹ̀.
You not giving
Lọ́sí
back.
ọdún tó ti gbẹ̀yẹ ọdún mélòó kan.
That have been taken
Bíbélì ìfẹ́ ní ìṣẹ́jú kan.
The Bible called it a
Ìtọ́jú
minute.
àfún àfún pàdé ẹ̀.
He said our
Ó
tribulation
lọ
is
sí tí òun kò
over.
tó lè kọjá ní ayérayé.
That is working for us a far more.
Àwọn aláṣẹ tí òkùnkùn ayé
It
yìí.
is against the principalities of
Àwọn aláṣẹ tí òkùnkùn ayé yìí.
it is against the
Àwọn
principalities.
ìjọba ìdí náà ń bá jà.
We are fighting against the spirituals that
Wọ́n gbogbo ti lẹ́sẹ̀ láti lójú
and they are
ìjọba.
doing everything to war
Wọ́n
against
ti
us.
tẹ̀lé dojúkọ.
They will use your work to
Wọ́n fi
fight
lọ́kọ̀
against
àti
you.
lọ́kọ̀ wá bí àti
You that
lọ́kọ̀.
are not married, they will use that
Wọ́n
to
tó
fight
ti
against
márì
you.
wá bí àti
You that you are married, they will fight
àti
against
tí wọ́n ti
you.
dojúkọ.
They will use barrenness to fight
Ìjọ
against
mẹ́fẹ́ wọn kan
you.
wà tí wọ́n ń dojúkọ àti ìrànwọ́ bíbá.
Do you know that there are some people that are fighting against what they do best?
Ẹlòmí wọn blame past life for ẹ̀.
Some people who are blaming their past life.
Àyẹ̀fà bóyá ni ẹ bóyá ó lù fertility kó tó
When a
wá.
lot of people lose it, maybe
Àti
because
bóyá kó tó lù fertility ní òtún
God
ọ̀pọ̀
gets
sí wọn.
married, maybe because I lose my fertility before getting married.
Wọ́n bá ṣe pé ogun tó ń dojúkọ ni.
If it is in trouble that you
Wọ́n ṣe pé méjì
will
ló máa rí
even if you are
ó dojúkọ.
you will go through it.
Alẹ́ ìrí àpẹẹrẹ nínú ìwé mímọ́.
You can see an example in
Ìwé
the
Lúùkù
book.
orí kéde.
Luke chapter
Nígbà
1.
tó fi Sakaraya àti
The
Elizabeth rẹ̀.
Bible made us know that Zechariah and Elizabeth, he said that
Ayé ìgbà ń dájú bí lọ.
you know that that time was better than this
Ìgbà
time.
ní ilẹ̀ Ísírẹ́lì.
That time in the
Ọmọ
whole
ọdún ọkọ̀ tí ẹ ti di ìfàjì ẹ̀.
if you have not seen then you will be stoned to death.
Kò sáànù.
There is no
Àti
mercy.
òfin náà wà.
They are
Wá
under
lẹ̀
law.
ọ́ ní òkùnfà.
You will be stoned to death.
Fún tí àlọ́kọ rẹ̀ gbé níyàwó.
The husband too
Fún tí àlọ́kọ
now.
ọkọ rẹ̀ ó sì jẹ́.
The husband will also be a
Ṣùgbọ́n
virgin.
àgbo
But
tí wọ́n fi di arúgbó.
see their own age, he said they are
Tó
not
tí
different.
ogun àìrọ́mọ bí
If
ìdàgbọ́
you
bá ń jà
are
wọ́n.
going to go through barrenness,
Àwọn kan kan ní ìtọ́ ti ṣe
this is because of what you have done
Nínú
before.
àkókò tó ti lọ́wọ́ kìrìsìtẹ́nì.
Since you are a true life, he's the devil
Wọ́n ti kọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ìdúró rẹ̀.
If you that you take up the stand,
Àlọ́ ìṣe ìsọ̀ kankan fún ọ.
let me tell you something.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ o ṣe onímùkú wọn ọmọ Ọlọ́run.
That you are not a drunkard as a child of God. You can't even be a drunkard as a child of God.
Kí ni irú rẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ fi wá sí ilé?
Because what will you be doing with alcohol?
Oníkẹ́sà tó bóyá ti mùmúkú sẹ́yìn.
Let's even agree that you are going to back to God before you encounter Jesus.
Olú bá dojú kọ.
If you come with you have a battle with a bad sickness, it's not because of the bad life.
Ìṣe onímùkú tó ní.
It's not because of that judgment. Don't get me wrong.
There are always repercussions. Àbáyọrí máa ń wà fún ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ o.
There is a percussion for sin.
Wọ́n tó bá lè pé ìmúkú tó ọmọ.
But if it is the judgment that you took, that you did not take too much,
Tí ìṣe kò ti wọ̀ ọ́ lára ó ti wọ̀
and
ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀.
you know that you have become addicted
Tó
to
bá
it.
bá àìsàn pàdé ní ojú ọ̀nà yìí.
If you encounter sickness on your
Dojú kọ.
it's the devil that
Kì í ṣe
brought
tí
it.
mo ní àbáyọrí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ rẹ̀ ìgbà yẹn.
Not because of your sin of that time.
Amen. Bàbá ilé
Amen.
ìwọ tó pé ògógó ti dẹ̀jẹ́ rẹ̀ jẹ́.
But you know, if you know that you are
Ọtí ti
addicted
dẹ̀jẹ́ rẹ̀ jẹ́.
to it,
Iye iṣẹ́
that is not the devil.
àbáyọrí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ rẹ̀.
It is your repercussion of the sin.
Torí bíbélì pé kò sẹ́ni tó gbé ilé kàyà rẹ̀ tó ní tó.
Because the Bible made us know that there is nobody that will not
Ilé ní ẹ̀ṣẹ̀.
not
Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ti gbé kàyà rẹ̀ yóò jó.
The sin is fire, and the moment that it touches your hand, it will definitely burn you.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọ Ọlọ́run.
A lot of children of God
Ìsirahẹ́lì ti ti gba ìṣòro mú ayé wọn balẹ̀.
Satan has destroyed their life. The Bible made us know in the book of Romans,
Oníkẹjọ
chapter
ẹ̀yọ́
8.
chapter 5. Ó ní kí ló wá ìṣàwáyà ìfẹ́
He
Kristi.
said, "What shall separate us from the Lord?"
Jọ́nù kìíní orí karùn-ún.
First John chapter 5,
19 kò kíkà wò.
this is verse 19.
Gbogbo ayé ni ó wà ní agbára ẹni búburú ni.
And we know that we are God, and the whole world lies in wickedness.
Kí ló sọ?
Lies in
Kí
wickedness.
ló sọ? Gbogbo ayé.
The whole world,
Gbogbo ayé.
the whole
Ó wà
world
lábẹ́ tani.
lies in
Ẹni
wickedness.
búburú ni.
Life
Ẹni
in
búburú ni.
wickedness.
Èṣù ni.
He is the devil.
Ìdí ni ẹni sọ pé
That's why Jesus said,
ẹ ní ìtọ́jú nínú ayé.
you have tribulation in the
Ṣùgbọ́n ní
world,
inú mi,
but in
ẹ̀yin ò ní àlàáfíà.
you will have peace.
Ẹ tútù ká.
He said, be of good cheer,
Ṣẹ́gun ayé.
because I have overcome it.
Bí ẹ̀sọ́ kẹ́kẹ́ fọ́,
Let me tell you
bí
something.
àṣírí lónìí.
That the secret
Wípé
is
ọgbọ́n tó lè kojú ọ.
that whatever that my
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ojúlówó ọmọ Ọlọ́run.
as a
Kò
children
lè
of
gba ẹ̀mí rẹ̀.
you cannot take your life.
Wọ́n lè mìíràn o.
You can shake
Wọ́n
it.
kò lè gbẹ̀mí ẹ̀.
You can't take your
Bá a
life.
ṣe àìsàn,
You might be sick.
kò lè gba ẹ̀mí
You
rẹ̀.
can't take your
Wọ́n
life.
lè mìíràn ni.
You can only shake you.
Kò sí ìṣòro tó lè dẹ́wọ̀n Ọlọ́run.
There is no
Tó lè gbé ọmọ Ọlọ́run.
child of God that
Bàbá
can
mi lè bí.
child of God.
Ìdí ni méjèèjì ti ṣe ìlérí ìjọ sábà ti ṣe.
Jesus has
Bá a
told
sá sílì, ó lóò ti ṣẹ́gun ẹ̀ fún wa.
16 verse 33.
Wọ́n ti ṣẹ́gun ayé.
Said he has overcome the
Nínú
world.
ayé ni ẹkún wà.
He said in this
Nínú ayé ni àìsàn wà.
there is weeping.
Nínú ayé ni ìdààmú wà.
In this
Nínú ayé ni ìṣòro wà.
there is
Nínú
sorrow.
ayé
In the
ni
world
wàhálà wà.
that there is
Ní
trouble.
àìsí ìsinmi wà.
That there is no
Ẹsẹ̀ ní
rest.
ọ̀run.
He is not in heaven.
Gbogbo nǹkan wọ̀nyí ní àkókò rẹ̀.
All these
Ní
things
ilé
are time.
ìṣẹ́gun lórí ẹ̀gbẹ́ rẹ̀.
Jesus has
Àánú láti bẹ̀rù.
on Calvary. We don't have
Àánú
to
láti
fear.
fòyà.
We don't have to be
Àwọn
scared.
ìwọ̀nyí adé bá wa.
Yes,
Ọ̀gbá tó kù.
Did you
Wọ́n lọ sí
know
mo
that?
bẹ̀rù.
He said the thing and what I fear is what's come unto me.
Tó bí ọmọ Ọlọ́run.
So as a
Ó ní
child
láti
of
bẹ̀rù
God,
ìṣòro.
you don't have to fear
Ó ní láti
trouble.
bẹ̀rù wàhálà.
You don't have to fear
Orí fọ́nà wọ́n sì
tribulation.
sì ní.
You did not see
Nígbà
what
wọn lọ́wọ́ yẹ.
you
Nígbà tó sọ ọ́ tó lè ṣàwáyà fẹ́ Kristi. Ó kà lórí ikú. Ó ní iṣẹ́ ikú ni.
He said, if he
Ọ̀pọ̀ tó
dead,
burú jù.
the
Ṣé ènìyàn bẹ̀rù ìdáyé? Òun náà ní ikú.
he is dead.
Ṣùgbọ́n akọ́nù ìwé mọ́ pé
But the Bible
Jésù gbé ikú mi ní ìṣẹ́gun.
that Jesus
Ikú olóòrẹ́ dà.
so
Ìtàn òkú ìṣẹ́gun rẹ̀ dà. Nítorí náà ní láti bẹ̀rù.
because
Àwọn ìṣòro wọ̀nyí
all these
kò yẹ kó dí ọ̀dìnà kúrò lọ́dọ̀
should
náà.
not take you away
Má
from
gba
God.
ìrònú ìṣòro láàyè ní ọ̀dọ̀
Don't
rẹ̀.
allow the thought
Láti
of
ṣe
struggle
ìdúró fún ọ.
to be and the visible room outside because
Léwu.
it is dangerous.
Léwu.
It's dangerous.
Nínú ìwé àwọn ọba,
You see that in the book of
àwọn ọba
Kings,
tí ní orí kẹtàlá,
First Kings chapter 13,
àkọsílẹ̀ nípa wòlíì ìrántí ọlọ́run kékeré àti wòlíì ẹ̀wà.
about the written things about
Wọ́n ní pé ìgbà tó 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 ọ̀nà tó ti mọ̀ lọ́pàá ká mọ́.
on the way that
Ìwọ pẹ̀lú máa sinmi.
you don't
Kí
rest
sábà ń bọ̀ àká ọmọ.
so that the devil will not
Ojoojúmọ́ ló
achieve
jí
it.
ọ.
It's every day that
Sórí
it's chasing
gbogbo tí bàbá
after
mi
you.
jù lọ yẹ.
You see that
Ó ká kó sinmi ní.
that the devil is
Wọ́n lè
trying
ká
to
ọmọ.
force you to rest so that you will catch up.
Èmi kọ́ ní padà sínú ààyè mọ́. Dára sínú ààyè mọ́. Dára sínú ààyè mọ́. Títí là. Èmi kọ́ ní padà sínú ààyè mọ́. Dára sínú ààyè mọ́. Dára sínú ààyè mọ́. Títí là. Amen. Jẹ́ kí bàbá mi mọ̀ kó ti bẹ́ẹ̀.
Let the devil know
Jẹ́
that
kí ogun ọ̀sán bá mi mọ̀ kó ti
let
bẹ́ẹ̀.
the kingdom of darkness
Let
know
them
that
do their works. Jésù ni Olúwa.
Jesus is
Let them do
Lord.
their works. Jésù ni Olúwa.
Jesus is Lord.
Má jẹ́ lùbọ̀.
Don't be scared.
Má gba ìrònú kankan láàyè.
Don't allow any
Láti
thought
jẹ́ ìdíwọ́ fún ọ.
to be an
Gẹ́gẹ́
hindrance
bí
to
ọmọ
you
òkú Kristi.
as a
Ó ní
children.
ẹ máa tẹ̀síwájú. Bíbẹ́ ológun. Àtẹ̀jùmọ̀ Jésù tó bẹ̀ níwájú. Máa wo Jésù.
Just look unto Jesus.
Sójà ni ẹrú ìlú òfófẹ́ mọ́ba.
He will so that the spirit of God short. You know how many years he has already been listening to it.
Sójà ni ìlú òfófẹ́ mọ́ba.
When the soldier is scared of God, you know how many years he has been
Sójà
hearing
ni
it.
ìbọn mọ́ta jẹ́bà.
You see a soldier that will be scared of God. You know how many years he has been
Máa
listening
jáyà
to it.
lórí ohun tó ń dojú ọ.
Don't be scared about what
Máa
you are
jáyà lórí
experiencing.
wàhálà
Don't
ayé
be
rẹ̀.
scared about the trouble in your
Àwọn
life.
ọ̀gá wọ̀nyẹn ni Sátánì tún bí ó fò.
It's all those things that the devil throws at
Láti mú
you
wọn sí ní ojú ọ̀nà
to
rẹ̀.
make you rest on your
Ó
way.
léwu fún ọ láti sinmi.
But it is dangerous for you to
Onígbà tí
rest
ní ayé yìí ṣe bí ìsinmi.
because this world is not a
Ojú
resting
ìtàgé ní ayé
place.
jẹ́.
This world is a
Ọ̀run
battle.
ní bí ìsinmi.
Heaven is a resting place.
Ọ̀run ní bí ìsinmi.
Heaven is a resting place.
Onígbàdì títí wọ́n fi délé mi. Títí wọ́n fi délé mi o. Èmi kò ní lálẹ́ ìpànyà tó mi sàmì ọ̀nà o. Títí wọ́n fi délé mi. Ọtí lárí pẹ́ o. Ọtí lárí pẹ́ o. I will never end my journey halfway until I reach my. Ọjọ́ ti lè gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣẹ́gun ní ìgbẹ̀yìn.
Thing that will make you victorious at the end
Ó ní pé kò forí sí òpin.
is for you to endure to the end.
Jésù ti sọ fún wa ń bá ní ká máa dojú kọ.
Set us and let us run with patience the race that is set before us, looking unto Jesus, the author and the finisher of our faith, who for the joy that was set before him endured the cross, despising the shame, and is set down at the right hand of the throne of God.
Oní pèsè wa.
Is our first thing.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ alómi tó gbé sọ́kọ̀tà ìwọ sọ́ọ̀sì.
A lot of people have something in their life that is not making them happy, that is not making them to be happy, that is not making them to be excited. That's what you have heard in this.
Aláàbẹ̀ máa gbọ́dọ̀ kọ́ ìtẹ́ńgbà kan láàrin wọn bí.
Someone sang a song amongst us
Ó
here.
ní àbúrẹ́kì ní ìṣòro rẹ̀ gbé ti sápá kan àwọn Jésù olùgbà. Àbá ọ̀ṣẹ́ má ṣe bá Sátánì láàyè láti gbàjọba ayé rẹ̀. Má ṣe bá Sátánì láàyè láti gbàjọba ayé rẹ̀. Tẹ́sí bá ti gbà ó sọ̀rọ̀ gbàgbà.
If the devil should take it, then
Ìdí ni ẹni àbájáfárá sẹ́yìn.
that's why people are astray. That's why they don't see it in the end.
Ó nira.
It's difficult.
Ó nira.
It's difficult.
Kí ni àbájáfárá sẹ́yìn?
So if
Má dàgbàrà sẹ́yìn o.
don't be angry,
Orí tí o gbogbo tó bá ń kó ọmọ rí.
because no matter what you say,
Orí tí o gbogbo tó bá ń kó ọmọ rí.
endure whatever you are
Orí pé
going
o
through.
fẹ́ lẹ̀ gbọ́.
Because you see what
Àkókò
you
àmì tábẹ́ ní Ọlọ́run yìí.
this time that want to
Ẹgbẹ́
say
ẹgbẹ́
to
rẹ̀ ló
God,
tún.
make sure that you are
Bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọ́n náà kọjá sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kan.
who that kind of
Tí wọ́n bá bá kù sọ̀rọ̀ lónìí, wàá túbọ̀ mí lọ́la.
when you overcome this tribulation, you enter
Torí pé
another
bí
one.
ìrìn àjò ayé ti rí nìyẹn.
Because that is the journey of the
Ọmọ
world
Ọlọ́run.
for children of God, for children.
Torí bẹ́ẹ̀ sùn wá ọ.
Because the devil is looking for you, the devil is looking for me.
Kò ní wá ní àwọn Jésù. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ti rìn àjẹsẹ̀ wa.
Let's be on our feet.
Arúgbó ọjọ́.
Thank God.
Arúgbó ọjọ́. Ajára mi ò lè rìn àjò yìí. Ìrànlọ́wọ́ ti ti ò pé. Má jẹ́ kú sọ́dọ̀ tí o kú.
Orúkọ Jésù ẹ̀mẹ́ mímọ́.
Mo nígbàgbọ́ pé Ọlọ́run ti fọwọ́ tọ́ ayé rẹ nípasẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run alààyè tí o gbọ́ tán yìí. O lè fẹ́ láti mọ ikọ̀ àti ìríjú Ọlọ́run tàbí fún àdúrà àti ìmọ̀ o lè pè sórí aago yìí 08065935539. Ẹ máa tẹ̀síwájú nínú oore-ọ̀fẹ́ Kristi. Fún onírúurú ìwàásù ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run tó lè gbéni ró tó sì lè múni dọ́run, ẹ kàn sí wa lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára Audiomack, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok @ Apostle Babatunde Samuel. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀.